Imagine staring into the deep ocean and seeing nothing until a pair of glowing eyes suddenly appears in mid-water. That is the glass squid, one of the sea's most transparent hunters. Living in the dark depths, its body is nearly invisible, with organs faintly visible inside its clear mantle. Many species have huge eyes to detect the slightest glimmer of light. Some even glow using bioluminescence to blend with light filtering from above. Though it looks fragile and unreal, the glass squid is an active predator, proving that in the deep sea, invisibility is pure power.